Here's what we do. We will set up.
This is tunnel vision.
From planet to planet.
Welcome back to the Mortgage Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie lending team. Let's talk about this panic euphoria model once again. Looking at this chart, you can tell that anything above 0.41 is considered a euphoric time in real estate. So historically, going back to the dot-com bubble, you can see it was 1.4. In 08, when we had a big crash, it was 0.45. And today's reading is 1.67. Skyrocketing numbers here, right? So this isn't really to say that we're going to have a stock market crash or anything, but many believe that we are in a vulnerable position right now. There is an alternate to this as well, saying that, of course, we're not in a bubble situation, but the things that they're looking at are any of this kind of more hot inflation market in this coming year, because we had a really cool inflation year last year because the economy wasn't doing very much as we were all locked down. But we're going to be comparing these numbers from this year to the ones from last year. And I'm not going to use the term hyperinflation here. If we start to see inflation start to get a little bit hotter than we would like it to, we know that this erodes the buying power of the bonds market, and then this has an increase in our mortgage rates. And so these mortgage rates are one of the main reasons we have such a hot market. We pair this with the low inventory, and now we've got a booming buyer's market. We want to try to get this balanced out if we can with some more listings, because we could do more business. We know the demand is there, but we don't want to lose our interest rates at the same time. So time will tell. I'm going to be very curious to see where the inflation numbers are going for the rest of this year right now. On the vaccine front, Johnson & Johnson has gotten their vaccine approved. It is a one-shot vaccine. So it looks like it's showing really good T-cell response. Pfizer and Moderna's, both of them, although they get 2 shots, they are also supposed to be showing really good T-cell response as well, which is helping to fight against the transmission of the disease. Later this week, it is jobs week. They are expecting to get 150,000 more new jobs to enter the market this week. But as we're 10 million jobs short in this country, we know that this is not really going to cut it. And hopefully it'll come in above that. But even if we added 150,000 jobs per week for a couple of weeks in a row, it's going to take quite a while for us to get back to a place where everybody is back to work. Is the stimulus package going to help us along with that? We don't know. Time will tell, but we can only stay hopeful at this point. So I've been reading this Facebook article today talking about upper funnels versus lower funnels. The upper funnel being more of a branding ad, introducing who you are, what you do, the markets that you work in, things like that. Lower part of the funnel is when you're trying to get them to make a commitment. Facebook also refers to this as DR, or direct response marketing, where you want them to make a quick trigger pull on any purchase. A lot of times e-commerce, as you can see, does a lot better. It's easy to get somebody to make a $50 purchase or below, not that much of a commitment. However, in real estate or in like financial services, as you can see, the branding ads work a little bit better almost than those direct response ads. Real estate, I don't think it's that hard to get somebody to click on a picture of a house and get them to submit their info always, if we run the right types of ads. But as you can see on this little demographic here, this little infographic, age does matter. Younger people will basically click on anything at any point. Older people, a little bit more mature, a little bit more steady on how they behave there. Branding ads working a lot better with them than it is on the younger people. Do you want a copy of this little report? All you got to do is email me. I'm happy to send you the link over. When you run into somebody that needs a mortgage, you can always count on Lily and I to be your #1 resource for getting you to the finish line and getting you a paycheck. Easiest way to get us over a lead, text us over the name and number. We will then reach out to them and follow up with you and get you a pre-approval, get you to a closing as quickly as we can. If you know anybody that's interested in working as a loan originator with us at Union Home Mortgage, we are hiring right now. Just need, if you could text me over their name and number, I'm happy to reach out. They have to have an existing pipeline and they have to have loan originator experience in the recent times. All of these videos are backed up on YouTube. All you got to do is type in my name. Check us out on Instagram. Talk to you tomorrow.